Wagwan J Squad, it's your boy Jay, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Here at the JC's YouTube channel, we talk about all things Jamaica, whether it is our culture, our progress, or everything in between. Now, today we're going to be diving into Jamaica's top 10 greatest achievements over the past decades. Trust me, this list is going to be fire, so just stick around to the end and let's get right into it. Join me on the next side, guys. Let's go. First up, let's talk about money and jobs. Jamaica has made some serious financial moves, reducing our debt to GDP ratio to its lowest levels since 1970. This means that our economy is stronger and unemployment has dropped from 13.7% to just 7%. More jobs, more opportunities. Trust me, we love it over here at JC's 876. Second on our list is transportation. Have you ever had to wait forever on a bus? Well, good news. Jamaica's public transportation got a major boost with 200 new buses to make commuting smoother and more efficient. No more sardine packed rides. Well, at least hopefully. Number 3 on our list is crime reduction. Now, let's talk about safety. Crime has been a real issue for Jamaica for a number of years, but Jamaica is fighting back. In 2024, murders dropped by 19%, and early 2025 saw a 27% decrease in crime and violence in Jamaica. Big up to our security forces and community initiatives that are making a big difference in our country. Number 4 on our list is disaster preparedness. When disasters strike, we stay ready. Jamaica has improved its disaster response, setting aside 5 billion Jamaican dollars for hurricane relief without having to borrow. And right there, that's financial security in action. Imagine a hurricane or any other disaster. Jamaica is now financially prepared to handle circumstances like these that are totally unexpected. Before we jump into number 5, I just want to take a brief moment to say thank you to all of you who have been supporting the JC's YouTube channel for the past few years. Remember, if you have not yet connected to the channel, hit the subscription button and all notification bells so you'll never miss another upload from us. One of the best things you could do is become a part of the JC's family because we talk about all things Jamaica and we also show the lifestyle of Jamaica. So food, lifestyle, entertainment, education, that's the place to be. JC's 876 YouTube channel. Alright guys, so let's jump right back into the video. Number 5 on our list is health and immunization success. Health is wealth, and Jamaica is winning. We received the top regional award for boosting our immunization rates, hitting over 99% coverage for key vaccines. Big up to our healthcare workers. Number 6 on our list is a very big one: infrastructure development. From better roads to upgraded bridges and water projects, infrastructure development is on the rise. Our island is getting a facelift and I am here for it. Trust me, as you can look around right across the island, you can see the people fixing the roads and you can see new buildings going up, hotels going up. The future is so bright for Jamaica right now. Next on our list is number 7. Now, Jamaica is considered as the land of wood and water. We have so many different species of indigenous animals on the island and some unique ones as well. But if it is not properly taken care of, all of this can disappear in the wink of an eye. Jamaica, being a country that is exceptionally resilient, has put in measures to protect our wonderful environment. No plastic straws, no problem. Jamaica is leading the way in environmental protection, banning single-use plastics, restoring watersheds, and expanding protection areas. The environment in Jamaica is literally saying thank you. Next on our list is number 8, housing expansion. A solid roof over your head is a real game changer. Over 12,500 new housing solutions have been introduced since 2017, with better mortgage rates for lower income earners. That's what you call real progress. Number 9 on our list is tourism growth. For many years, tourism has been the chief backbone of our Jamaican economy. And still, in 2025, tourism is still booming. To date, Jamaica has welcomed over 4.3 million visitors, and earnings jumped by 8.6%. More tourists, more money in the economy, and more reasons to showcase our island's paradise. Before we jump into the final achievement on our list, remember, if you've not already joined the JSA's family, hit the subscription button, turn on all notification bells, and make sure that you are part of the JSA's family so you'll never miss another upload from us. Let's jump into number 10. For the past decade, Jamaica has stood on top of the world for sporting achievements. We have managed to show up and outperform expectations on a number of different fronts. Jamaica is still home to the fastest man and the fastest woman in the world. And with this fresh crop of new athletes that we have emerging on the scene, I doubt that we will be losing this title anytime soon. Drop a comment in the comment section below and let's start up an exciting conversation about this wonderful list. Also, if you love the work that we are doing over here on this channel, please like, share, and subscribe to JSA's 876 for more Jamaican greatness. Till next time, bless up! And as we always say on this channel, JSA's, and we are out of here.
Let's talk about heroes, pioneers of the land, a product of St. Thomas, united we stand. From sweet reggae music to the patois slang, JSA's 876 is where you'll hide.